8 important considerations for a retired person. Retirement is a significant milestone in one's life, marking the beginning of a new chapter, filled with newfound freedom and opportunities. However, this phase also demands careful planning and consideration to ensure a fulfilling and secure retirement. In this video, we will explore the 8 most important factors that retired individuals should prioritize to make the most of their golden years. 1. Financial planning. One of the primary concerns for any retiree is financial stability. It is crucial to assess one's financial situation and develop a comprehensive retirement plan. This involves evaluating pensions, savings, investments, and potential income sources to ensure a steady cash flow throughout retirement. Seeking professional advice from financial advisors can provide valuable insights into managing finances effectively. 2. Health and wellness. Retirement offers an ideal opportunity to focus on personal well-being. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine health checkups becomes imperative. Engaging in physical activities, such as swimming, walking, cycling, or yoga, not only promotes physical fitness, but also improves mental well-being and overall quality of life. 3. Social connections. Retirement often leads to a change in social dynamics. Retirees may find themselves away from the social interactions they had at work. Therefore, it is vital to build and maintain social connections to prevent isolation and loneliness. Joining community groups, volunteering, pursuing hobbies, or participating in social clubs can help establish new friendships and provide a sense of belonging. 4. Lifelong learning. Retirement is an excellent time to pursue interests and hobbies that may have been put on hold during the working years. Engaging in lifelong learning activities, such as attending classes, workshops, or online courses, not only expands knowledge but also keeps the mind active and sharp. Learning new skills and exploring new subjects can provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose. 5. Travel and exploration. Retirement opens doors to explore the world without the constraints of work schedules. Traveling allows retirees to immerse themselves in new cultures, witness breathtaking landscapes, and create cherished memories. Whether it's exploring local destinations or embarking on international adventures, traveling broadens horizons, fosters personal growth, and provides an opportunity to relax and unwind. 6. Estate planning. Estate planning is a crucial consideration for retirees, as it ensures that their assets and belongings are distributed according to their wishes. It involves creating a will, designating beneficiaries, and addressing any legal and financial matters related to one's estate. Seeking professional assistance from estate planners or attorneys can help retirees navigate the complexities of this process. 7. Emotional well-being. Retirement can sometimes bring about emotional challenges as individuals adapt to a new routine and face significant life changes. It is important to prioritize emotional well-being by seeking support from loved ones, friends, or even professional counselors. Engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, such as hobbies, creative pursuits, meditation, or religion, can also contribute to emotional well-being. 8. Philanthropy and giving back. Retirement provides an opportunity to give back to society and make a positive impact. Engaging in philanthropic activities, volunteering for charitable organizations, or donating time, skills, or resources can not only benefit others but also foster a sense of purpose and fulfillment in retirees' lives. Making a difference in the lives of others can bring immense joy and satisfaction. In summing up, retirement is a time to embrace new possibilities, personal growth, and a sense of fulfillment. However, Retirement is also a time to kick back, relax, and embrace the joys of not setting an alarm clock. By considering these 8 important aspects: financial planning, health and wellness, social connections, lifelong learning, travel, estate planning, emotional well-being, and philanthropy, retirees can embark on a retirement adventure that would make even the most energetic spring chickens jealous. Remember, retirement doesn't mean sitting in a rocking chair all day, reminiscing about the good old days, although a little rocking chair time can be quite soothing. It's a chance to seize the day, learn new things, meet new people, and maybe even embarrass your grandkids with your newfound dance moves. So, grab your retirement bucket list and start ticking off those items one by one. Whether it's sailing around the world, learning to play the ukulele, or finally perfecting your golf swing after countless slices and shanks, retirement is the time to embrace life with gusto and a good dose of humor. In the words of Mark Twain, age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. So, go forth, my retired friends, and live each day with a twinkle in your eye, a smile on your face, and the knowledge that retirement is the perfect time to let loose and enjoy all that life has to offer, ensuring a fulfilling and enjoyable journey into this new chapter of life. Just don't forget to wear sunscreen. After all, nobody wants to spend their golden years looking like a lobster. Cheers to an amazing retirement filled with laughter, adventure, and maybe even a few senior discounts along the way. So, did you discover anything new today? Can you think of any other interesting fact we should include? Leave them in the comments section below.